Hey guys, so since most people enjoyed my video where I fed my milk snake a corn snake that had died last time, I thought if I get the chance I'd make another or similar video. And yeah, so during winter, this bird, it's a European Serin, flew into the window and died. Had it frozen now for quite a while, just to make sure to kill any bacteria that it might have had. So yeah, they're they're related to canaries, or canaries, however you want to call them. You can see he's got some blood there in his beak, so that was probably from internal injury, or he had a brain trauma or something. So yeah, milk snakes do occasionally eat birds in the wild, so I thought I'd give it a go and see if he likes it. And if he does, he'll eat it, and if he doesn't, he won't. So don't force him to eat anything that he doesn't like, obviously. But yeah, let's see. There, and you go then. So yeah, you can see he's working his jaw around. He's got the head in his mouth already. So yeah, and the rest of this video is probably gonna be time-lapse as well, just to speed it up a little and not make it too boring. Just a little fact, you can see the beautiful yellow that this little guy's got. So yeah, they're a very pretty bird, very nice. Like to see them in my garden. But yeah, I think that one probably got chased by a falcon or something, because we have a few very large trees nearby, and a falcon usually perches on there and then waits till birds come to feed in mine or a neighbor's garden, and he swoops down and tries to catch one. Yeah, this guy got scared and flew into the window, unfortunately. in action. So you can see he just swallowed it. It's wandering down into his stomach right now. And yeah, as you can see, he really enjoyed it. He went straight at it. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, or even subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.